Is your PS3 controller like mine and has to stay plugged in forever? If the battery won't hold a charge anymore, you can replace it in just a few minutes with a simple battery swap. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can get back playing your PS3 wirelessly. Let's get started. I purchased the PicoPower PS3 controller battery kit from Amazon. The link is in the description below if you're interested. Unboxing the PicoPower battery kit comes with 2 lithium batteries, 1 USB cable to charge your PS3 controller, a screwdriver to remove the screws from the back of the PS3 controller, and finally, a plastic prying tool to help remove both halves of the remote controller. If you have a multimeter, you can use it to test the battery. I would recommend a pair of tweezers to remove the old battery from the connector. Let's start by flipping over the PS3 controller and removing the 5 Phillips screws that are located on the back and setting them down. Next, we need to pry at the seams of the rear housing so that we can pull it away from the front half. Be careful since the battery can get stuck or the L2 R2 buttons are wedged in place. We can press down hard on both the buttons to pop them out completely since we will put them back if necessary. Now find the battery connector on the left side of the board and pry it out. Use the tweezers to help remove the connector without breaking the wire. With the battery label facing up and the wires on the lower left side, insert the new battery into the connector. Since the wires are a little bit longer, twist the battery so the wire bundles together and they move themselves out of the way. Be careful not to twist too far, just twist enough in order to keep tidy. Hold the battery in place with one hand while we close the housing with the other hand. If you find it hard to close the shells, make sure a wire is not out of place. Double check and make sure nothing is being pinched inside. If everything is good, it should snap together and we can add back all 5 screws that we initially removed in the beginning. With everything back in place, let's test the PS3 controller out and make sure everything works. Pressing the middle button should turn on the PlayStation, and let's try a game. There you have it, a working wireless PS3 controller. If this video helps you out, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more retro gaming repairs and tutorials. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.